Hello children. Today I am going to tell you about the topic to be taught in the upcoming week. Right? So children, as you all know that in the last class we read about rocks and minerals. So in the coming week we will read about different types of rocks and their formation. Right? So we all are knowing that rocks are all around us. You can see rocks in your backyard, on a street, on a road, everywhere you can see rocks. Okay? Pencil lead, chalk, bricks are all rocks. So any natural mass of matter that makes up the earth crust is called a rock. Children, do you know sand and mud are also rocks? Okay, so rocks can be different size and color. The process that breaks down into smaller pieces is called weathering. And we know that the earth crust is made up of various types of rocks. So let's learn about them in details. Okay. So children, we know that the earth crust is made up of various types of rocks. So the three major types are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Okay, so let's study about them in details. First, we are going to learn about igneous rocks. So children, igneous means made from fire. When volcanoes erupt, it causes the liquid rock to rise above the ground. Okay? And when this liquid rock is present inside the earth, it is called magma. Right? So, this magma cools and becomes solids. Rocks thus formed are called igneous rocks. They are also called primary rocks. Okay, so children, you can easily understand the molten rock that comes out of a volcano is known as lava, and that which remains inside is called magma. Okay, so when lava and magma cools both inside on the earth's surface, they harden to form which one rocks? Igneous rocks. Okay, so basalt, granite and pumice are example of igneous rock. Okay, let's learn about the second type of rock is sedimentary rocks. Okay, so these are also called sitting rocks, right? So rocks roll down, crack and hits each other, then they are broken down into small particles, right? जब वो छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स में एक दूसरे को हिट करते हैं, छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स में वो ब्रेक हो जाते हैं. These small particles are called sediments. और ये जो छोटे छोटे particles होते हैं इन्हें हम sediments कहते हैं. The sediments are transported and deposited by wind, water, etc. Right? So these loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layers of rocks. This type of rocks are called sedimentary rocks. Right? So conglomerate, sandstone, shell and limestones are example of sedimentary rocks. Okay. Now the third type of rock is made out of the first two types of rocks. These are metamorphic rocks. So metamorphic rocks are formed from igneous or sedimentary rocks. Okay, जब igneous और sedimentary rock पर ज़्यादा heat और pressure पड़ता है, so what happened? They have changed due to heat and pressure. And कौन से rock का formation होता है? Metamorphic rock का. For example, clay changes into slate and limestone into marble. Right? So slate, marble, gneiss, and quartzites are example of metamorphic rock. Okay, so children, I hope you will easily understand the types of rocks. Okay.